開始啦，嚟啊！咁幾年前啦，咁你就出現咗喺面前啦。咁呢個麻甩佬咧，就有一日就唔怕醜啦，咁就出嚟約下你去出去行下山咁啦。雖然喺呢幾年入邊，我哋都經歷咗好多唔同嘅困難，同埋有啲低潮啦。咁你都有啲唔開心嘅情況嘅，咁但係我都發現你而家越嚟越好啦。
多謝你呢幾年，我哋經歷高高低低，你都陪住我。多謝你冇放棄到我，我喺我最霉最低潮嘅時候，你都冇放棄到我。
Karen，我愛你啊！
我希望之後我哋一齊都係，無論高高低低都一齊行落去，一齊享受沿途嘅風景啦。多謝你，我愛你。
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do.
最緊要開心啊！做咩都係尤其是身體健康啊，幸福快樂。
人生另外一階段啦，繼續開開心心。
好多謝你哋，讓到我同阿哥都肥肥白白啦，好可愛咁樣。我會繼續愛自己，係繼續幸福落去㗎啦。
Staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret. 'Cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous. Every time you walk into the room, I'm speechless. Started when you said hello, just did something to me. And I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it. And all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret.
好似
你見最終有晒啦！
個意思，你30秒時間你，我有10秒，3、2、1，加油
喺你哋兩位正式結為夫婦之前，本人呢係職責上面要提醒你哋，根據婚姻條例嘅婚姻係神聖而有約束力，喺法律上係代表住你哋一男一女嘅自願終身結合。
我請在場各人見證，我羅俊熙願以你陸家慧為我合法妻子。
我請在場各人見證，我陸家慧願意你羅俊熙為我合法丈夫。
從今以後，不論順逆禍福、貧窮富有、
健康疾病，我都與你同甘共苦，互相扶持，愛護你，敬重你，珍惜你。